This takes time in my mind, please. But my heart's an empty place. Spell empty, and you get empty. Empty means full of tears, luha at hati, luhat bigati, and blinded in tears. Bantog na di gitawag na ugbulag, kay makabuta ang atong pagbulag. And longing for you like laging naghahabol. Difficult to get up, not feeling good, pero may gabukot sa habol. Habol, gabukot, ay, ambot. O diba, ganyan ang masakit, murag gikumot. Wala na ikaw na mabuang na kumabuang, di na uso ang mukhaulog daghan para kumabuang kusgan. I want to move on, pero sulayan sa akong message. Nagkabo na ka, pero kamusta na ka? Ma-okay pa ba ta? But something's wrong, love is the answer, they say. But what is the question? Dili tanan, nabagsak sa exam, tama ang question, or test paper na giyansiran. Sometimes searching for the right questions is as relevant as finding the right answers. Busa, kamusta na ko dili? Why am I in bed permi? Para kanino ka bumabangon questions sa Nescafe? So I'm listening sa Heaven Knows by Orange and Lemons. Sakit pero gabi ka nice. Kabalog yun ang langit, Heaven Knows by Big Price. Why I live in despair? Why does it hurt me so? I can't live in despair. No words coming from you and I think it's fair. Gotta get up, gotta myself together. I can't live like this forever. Unsa ako ng future na kinabuhi kung sa karon sa akong kaugalingon dili makabuhi. Dapat kabalo ko mubuhi. To let go is to let life. Lahi ang gibuhian sa gibiyaan, pero ikaw nabiya ka o buhi. Letting go is letting God. Buhay, buhat sa kamatayan. Pero si God buhat pa man. Siya ang magbubuhat, iya akong ibuhat, at ako'y kanyang binuhat. Pero unsa akong ibuhat? I chose darkness and lies over light and love. Inanagid siguro ang dugma kung wala si G sa tunga. Mainat ka, basig mabugto ka. The lights the night when there was a fight for the right. His name in sight, anxiety in sight, despite bloody night. I'll fight for you, wala na pero, paminaw. Bili ako imo kay tag-iya ta sa Ginoo. Love one another, dili love another one. Busa. Naara ko diri kung imo kong balikan, pero tama na. Sakto na. I will just hold on to your word. What word? In the beginning was the word.